guys, it's Gabe here, and today we are going to be showing you guys how to put suet in our bird feeder. This bird feeder we have right here, me and my uncle made this when we were on a trip, and then so the holes that were in the bird feeder, we used this drill bit. We just hooked the thing in that hole, and then we just drill the hole. And then this stuff is the suet stuff we're putting in. It's Nutty Treat. I don't know if you guys know what that is. Suet's just made out of beef, corn, white millet, roasted peanuts, oats. That's basically what it's made out of. And you need to have like a bowl type thing to put in. So then you scoop it out and then put it in the holes with the suet. And so what we need to do, we need to warm it up. And so let's do that. Okay. Whoops, you gotta put it in the bowl. Forgot about that. Okay, now we put it in. Let's show you guys how to do this. It comes out. Uh-oh. Wow, it's not coming out. It's in there. There we go. Then we use the spoon. I was supposed to use the spoon to get it out, but I mean. And then you like try and just like mix it around. Oh, it doesn't smell the best. If you guys can see that, kind of got it to work. Okay, so now let's microwave it. So you need to warm it up for 15 seconds. Put it in the microwave. Okay. 1, 5. Start. So when it's warming up, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for awesome videos that I post. Why you put it in for 15 seconds is because I think if you put it in for longer, it like it's weird and I don't know, but like so now that it's warmed up, so it's like really soft. And so I'm just gonna kind of like get it nice and like good to put it in. So I got the first thing, the bird feeder. It's kind of hard to see, so I'm gonna move it. You guys can see the first hole right here. We're gonna put it in. So you normally have to start little piece by piece. Oh, it went through. I'm not the best at this, you guys, so. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's just my dog. It's just not really going in. Okay, guys, so it's kind of working. I don't know if that's good or not, but that smells weird. I mean, birds like it, so it might smell a little weird to you guys, but if you guys want birds and stuff to come, like woodpeckers, that's what they love, you could do this. You might want some help with it, but yeah. Does not smell good. I'll still do it though for you guys. Oh, I just poked her right on through there. I don't know if you guys could see that. You guys can like, there. Okay. So you kind of have to like pack it in there and then get till it's full. Okay, should be good. It's everywhere on my hands. Okay, so the last hole is right here. It's messy, by the way, guys, so if you guys want to, you can use gloves and stuff for it. I'm not going to today. Every other time I feel it is I normally wear gloves. Yeah, I normally do. Okay. That looks it looks better. So that's probably what you guys are gonna do for this. It doesn't matter how many holes you put in the birdhouse or whatever. You guys can just do, like you guys could do a bigger one, but just not so heavy, or else it won't, probably, it'll just like fall over because it's so heavy on the bird feeder. So as you guys can see, all these little crumb things, it gets a little messy, but I mean, so that's the video today. I'll make a video tomorrow, hopefully. See you later, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe.